Deep beneath the relentless sands of the Sahara lies a city lost to time, a place that has remained buried for 2 millennia waiting to tell its story. With each layer of sand removed, the mysteries of this ancient city come to light, unraveling tales of its inhabitants and their extraordinary lives. As researchers piece together clues from ancient texts and archaeological finds, a picture emerges of a vibrant society that thrived long before the sands claimed its glory. Beneath the shifting dunes, an intricate labyrinth unfolds, revealing not just the structures, but the spirit of a civilization that has long been forgotten. As the sun sets over the Sahara, it casts an enchanting glow on the remnants of a lost city, igniting the imaginations of all who dare to uncover its past. Each discovery reveals not only the riches of this forgotten place, but also the stories of its people who once navigated the sands with dreams and ambitions. Under the starlit sky, the echoes of laughter and trade resonate through time as the team imagines the vibrant life that once thrived within the city's walls.